Yo, it's Crow. And yeah, so an ACLU lawyer has decided that Johnny Depp owes the ACLU more money than I think most people feel that they deserve. Now, just to preface all of this, the ACLU was seeking $86,000 from Johnny Depp for document production from them, which he used in his defamation trial against Amber Heard. The judge decided that they were due $38,000, and I'm going to go through this thread here from whoever this individual is. I saw the Law and Crime article. I don't really care about it too much, only because it basically goes over, it talks about the trial and everything, goes over this whole thing here, and then goes right into talking about the trial. Now, as far as like the ACLU is concerned here, I think the reason why most people don't feel that they are deserving of any money is because the ACLU helped Amber Heard out with her defamatory article. They wrote to my understanding, they wrote the article for her, and then she came in and did some changes to it from there. But the ACLU had a hand in the defamation of Johnny Depp. They absolutely encouraged all of this. And it's really it is unfortunate to see that he owes them any money, even like the smallest amount of money. It's really unfortunate that they're being due, they're being paid any due here. But couple of reasons for it, whether or not you agree or disagree with it. You have to remember that the ACLU was not a defendant in the lawsuit against Amber Heard. So it's not like you can sit there and go like, but it was proven in court. It was proven that Amber Heard defamed Johnny Depp. Yeah, not the ACLU. So they're fighting him for the document production. And look, I think 38,000 is bullshit. It's less than half of what they were actually trying to obtain. But let's go through the thread. Although I think the biggest thing to me is there's a lot of questions of impropriety within the UK case against Johnny Depp. There's a lot of there's a lot of things there that I think if you look into, I don't have time to jump into that one. Oh my gosh, the jump and talking about a third trial. But there's cases, there is a concern of impropriety involving the judge's son and his connection to one of the defendants in the UK court case. Then you have this here, and look, him being a member of the ACLU, I don't know how much of a factor that is, only because I don't know how difficult it is to become a member of the ACLU. And at the same time, like, he didn't give them everything that they wanted. So I feel it's inappropriate. And me personally, I mean, like, you saw the title for this video. I mean, like, you have an ACLU judge deciding that the ACLU should be paid more money in a case in which the ACLU played somewhat of a hand in. Gosh, I don't even know if it is corrupt or not. I don't know if the judge interpreted the law properly, but it looks bad. It reeks. There's no reason why this idiot shouldn't just recuse yourself. I have no clue what goes on in these people's fucking heads. Johnny Depp must pay ACLU over $38,000 to obtain records showing it helped Amber Heard write a defamatory op-ed. He did not donate $3.5 million. Judge is a member of the ACLU, but says it did not affect his decision. The ACLU stonewalled Johnny's attempt to obtain records showing whether the $3.5 million donation was made by Amber. As she proclaimed in the media and in the UK case, the English judge believed she made the donation and found her credible because of her charity. Yeah, God, I don't want to talk about the UK court case because you jump into another fucking tangent. But yeah, one of the things that was used was Johnny Depp, I guess, had called her a gold digger, and the judge said, "Yeah, she's not a gold digger. She donated all the money. Those aren't the actions of a gold digger. She's far more credible." Or some really stupid logic like that. So yeah, proving that she lied there is important because it speaks to her credibility. Amber Heard is caught in so many lies involving both court cases. It's actually quite shocking that she was able to get away with this for so long. In the Virginia trial, Johnny got the records. A New York judge ordered the ACLU to produce the document, which showed $3.5 million was not paid, and the ACLU assisted its ambassador Amber in writing the defamatory 2018 op-ed. The ACLU demanded reimbursement from Johnny for the attorney time and costs it incurred in responding to the subpoena. That is its right, but the approximately $80,000 sought was excessive. Yeah, okay, so that is true. Look, they have the right to, seek reimbursement for producing the documents, 100%, regardless of what their role was in the lawsuit. But the $80,000 was ridiculous. And to my understanding, that Johnny Depp's legal team requested the documents from them. They stonewalled. They tried to limit down the scope as best they could. Then they got a really expensive legal team in. And that's why the cost is so high. That's all related to the ACLU. That is not on Johnny Depp. They were 100% stonewalling him to prevent his lawsuit from moving forward. The New York judge ruled today on the fee request. The judge disclosed that he is a member of the ACLU, but assured Johnny it would not affect his decision. I don't think it really matters. I think he puts a legal test here, but we'll talk about the legal test in a second. But it doesn't make you feel good, does it? It makes it feel like, oh look, corruption. Oh look, that's shady. And again, I have no clue if his ruling is excessive, awarding $38,000. I have no idea. I just know that it doesn't look appropriate, so it shouldn't be happening. The fact that it is, I don't know if it's arrogance from the judge. I really don't. And again, I have no clue how much being a member of the ACLU really matters to the guy. But it shouldn't. I mean, just to avoid the appearance of impropriety, why would you not recuse yourself? It doesn't make sense. But that's not the legal test. A judge must recuse from a case if a reasonable person would entertain doubt about the judge's ability to be neutral. New York Court Rule 100, whatever. Judge being a member of an organization that is seeking fees raises doubt. Yeah, I agree. It absolutely raises doubt. Now, here's the thing. Argument could be that, look, I didn't even give them half of what they wanted. I still think it's inappropriate. I think most people would not be okay with that. The fact that he's awarded them anything is just going to make people feel, hey, you have an ACLU judge awarding the ACLU. Because that's what it looks like. The judge reduced the fees to $38,000. It's less than the ACLU wanted, but more than Johnny believed was just. The ACLU was more than a witness who received a subpoena. It was a participant in the defamatory op-ed. Unfortunately, Johnny can't pledge the money. I gotta correct one thing here. I agree that they're a participant, but goddamn, I don't know if you can really use that argument because the ACLU, he didn't sue them. He didn't even attempt to. And there's many reasons for that, but I'm not sure if you could then use, oh, they were co-conspirators. I mean, I agree that they are. I'm just, from a legal standpoint, I'm not sure that really flies. But you guys let me know what you would think in the comments. At the end of the day, $38,000, I think it's probably a drop in the bucket for Johnny Depp. I doubt he's sweating it all that much. But I'm sure that, more than anything, he probably just doesn't want to give him a goddamn penny, and I fully support that.